Yo, what up, my people? What up, what up, what up, what up? Everybody come on this. What I deal with all you guys been? Matrices, you say again, you know. Wanna say? Who they there with me? Who they are with me? Who they are with me? Wanna deal with exam 2022 preparation. Match up that day, guys. Match up that day fast. Me alone there. No, so that can't work, man. That can't work. That can't work. Alright. Yeah, man. Welcome, people. Welcome, welcome. YouTube say me alone there, you know, but guess what? So Benita put in the work. Alright, guys. Let me just take like off the laptop because it has shine on this thing. What I deal with? Only say we can do a 2 hours tonight. Exam not the far enough, peeps. Hit the like button as you forward on. I want to do a complete revision of matrices. As you come on, just hit the like button, let me know something did. That's the only way I can know. Alright, so it says that it's for the thumbnail, but you guys can go ahead. May I color code it? Show you Mr. Bennett. Awesome. Alright. So it says given that A is 1, 2, 0, 3 and B equal 3, 4, 5, 6. And they say find the value of A plus B. And how we do? I cannot do this because I want the thumbnail to look neat. We add the corresponding one. So we add 1 and 3, same position, right? Same position. 0 plus 5, same position, and 3 plus 6. So let us just bread back it down as the blogger there, that's it. Alright, so we just add 1 plus 3, that is 4, 2 plus 4, that is 6, 0 plus 5, 5, and 3 plus 6, 9. Alright, Mr. Bennett now working mood, so you know so tonight I got mad. Alright, so let's go. No time for waste. So we're gonna look at you guys gonna do B minus A and then hit that in the comment section and then you see what I want. Alright? So do B minus A. So we start off with the addition. We kind of pre-do because we don't want the thumbnail to look good because people don't want to click on the video if it not look one particular way. So do B minus A and then we are going to discuss it and then we are going to put in some negatives and see what I want. Alright, respect for the people, man. Early juggling, you know? Early juggling. So guys, may I give you guys 2 minutes to send in the answer for that. Yeah, man. People online, man. I hope Jada online. Then mirror, yeah. But let me just, guys, let me just share it in my group too. So people who want to work from my class can come on. You know how it go already. Work never end, you know, guys. You just take a break and think, cause you know, you never know what go on. Yeah, if I'm own life now, you know. I'm gonna send it out to the other kids them. So my students and my tutor, them can see it too. And then we can shell down this place. Want to complete everything tonight, guys. So bear with me. Want to complete everything in a matrices. After I send off this, a beer work. So who there just know say yo, keep up, alright? It a got hard for them keep up. Alright, so let me see now. Straight A. You know my group name? Straight A profile. So once them see that, they must be reminded that every single day a straight A we are work towards. Nothing less. I'm a group name so. Not joke thing. Alright, so let us go to the solution now. Now it says B minus A. I'm not seeing no comment coming still. Alright, so we arrange it in the particular way. So it says B first. So let us do that. So it's 3 first. 4, 5, 6. Now this is B minus A. So that's 1, 2, 0, 3. Alright. And then now we do the maths. So we're gonna put a big bracket and maths up everything. Alright. So it says 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus and 6 minus. Why I do that? We're gonna put in the b's based on the position. So this come first, this come first. So that's 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 0, and 6 minus 3. Alright, and then we can do the math. 3 minus 1, that's 2. 4 minus that, that's 2. 5 minus 0, 0, and 6 minus 3, 3. So our answer would be 2203. Alright, so let's go, guys. I want you guys to do one for me, one more, but this time we're gonna include a negative. And remember, I'm your backup. Alright, so if anything I run a difficulty, I will be here to walk you through it step by step. Alright, hope everyone writing. It's a real class, you know, guys. Just like when I got a maths class, a real class. So I want to take it serious. Attempt the questions, put it in the comment section, and so on. Alright? Can talk. We have one common enemy, and that is C-set maths. That is prevent a lot of young kids from getting their dreams and so forth. So I have to gang up against it, don't you? Yeah. Alright. Put in some negatives, and then we're gonna challenge persons and so forth. Alright? Alright, so the first one that I want you guys to do for me is C minus D. So go ahead and do that. You have 2 minutes to complete that. Alright? What? 14 likes already. Guys, you know there, man. Everybody there. A crazy work we're going to put in there, you know. The more people there, the more energy we get, you know. Energy turn up, it buck. Oh, yeah, see, man. 14 likes, you know, we're going hard now. And we just do one already. Alright, so what did you guys got for C minus D? We have 1 more minute. Let's go, guys. Push yourself, alright? One thing with Mr. Bennett. No matter how bright you are, we're gonna push you to the limit, right? That's a part of the thing. C-sec, everyone can do the exam, but not everyone can do it in the correct time. Some people reach one at the back and the exam finish. No, we don't want that for none of my subscribers. Alright, so if you watch the playback, time yourself just the same, alright? Alright, so let's try C minus D. So first, we write back all of C, because C is in front, so it's -1, -4, -5, and 6. Right, and it says minus now B, which is 8, negative 2, negative 5, and 4. And guys, these can be really tricky. I'm going to give you guys one more of this and then we'll move on. Alright, so we have negative 1, so that's negative 1. But we have to maintain the sign. The sign says minus, right? Negative 4 minus. Negative 5 minus. 6 minus. Alright? Now this one now matches with 8, so we'll put 8 right here. Negative 2. Notice it's a negative 2. And then negative 5 minus 5. So we have a minus 5 right here. And then 6 minus 4. So be careful when you set them out. They can be really tricky. Alright? So we have negative 1 minus 8. That will give us negative 9. Why? Because both of them are negative. And then now this becomes a positive. 2 negatives give us a positive. So we end up with negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2. Alright, and then we have both, this becomes a positive, so this would give us 0, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Alright, so now guys, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to challenge you guys to do another one also. Alright. So guys, before I put it on the board, I want you guys to do D minus C. Let us see if we get the same thing. Do D minus C. And matrices is a very complex topic. There's many aspects of it. Oh Lord, rub it off. I don't remember the numbers. I wanted this space, guys. I wanted this space. We'll put a different one. This time we're going to look at when we have a scalar. Alright, so we use C and D. We could use E and F now. Alright, so now we're going to look at what we call a scalar. So we have 2e minus 3f. Who can take on that? Hit the like button if you're just joining. Hit the like button if you're watching the playback. Alright? So we have 2e minus 3f. How would you guys approach that? Alright. Alright. Let me just rewrite it and help you guys. What it is, it means you're going to multiply all the numbers, all the elements in E by 2. So we're doubling it, so it's 2 times 2, then 2 times 5, 2 times 1, 2 times negative 3, right? Minus 3f. So we have the 3 right here. Negative 1, 2, 4, and 0. Alright. What's the next step? You guys put that in the comment section. I see some comment. Yeah. I'm loving it, guys. Loving it. Alright. So now all we're gonna do, we're gonna expand the bracket by 2. So 2 2s 4. 2 times negative 5, negative 10, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 3, negative 6. Alright? Put back the minus, and we're going to expand everything by 3. Notice I'm not multiplying by negative 3, that's complex things. We don't want that. Just multiply each by 3. So 3 times 1, negative 1, that's negative 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 fours 12. And 3 times 0 is 0. Alright? Now we can group them. And it works out just fine. So we have 4 minus minus 3. And as I say, this is a common error students make. They leave off one of the minus. They will say 4 minus 3. And that's it. But you have 4 minus minus 3. If I want to think of it as 4 minus negative 3, that can work also. And then you have negative 10 minus 6, 2 minus 12, and then we have negative 6 minus 0. From here is just cakewalk, right? Now these two together is going to become a positive. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. Both of them are negative, so we add them. A common error, students sometimes say negative 4 for the answer or something like that. 2 minus 12, the 12 is bigger, so we have negative 10. And negative 6 minus 0 is negative 6. Who got that? Who got that for the answer? Alright. So guys, let us move on to another aspect of matrices, right? Should I do one more? Leave it in the comment section if we should do one more of this. Pick up Zoom. Zoom there, you know. Alright, I could do one more then. Because we have time, don't it? Zoom there. Big up. You need that in the building. Try one more, guys. Gonna use C and D this time. This time I want you guys to do 3D minus 2C. Let's see who can get that answer. I'm going to save it. And if we make it interesting, we're going to do it by time. So we have 3D minus 2C. Zoom say love math, man. Cara Lee, big up, big up. So we have C equal 1, negative 5, negative 4, 3, and D is equal to 2, 7, negative 8, and negative 9. And we're going to shell down that in, let's see who can finish it in 2 minutes or so. Let's go, guys, push yourself. You can see how much I love maths. Big up for everybody who support the channel, you know. I want love, you know. Yeah, anyway they in Caribbean, big up. You don't know Mr. Bennett, large, you don't know. Yeah. Don't joke about that. Work where I work tonight, you know. Chicken we are jerk. Alright, 1 more minute. Let me see who can punch in the answer first. And the correct. 3D minus 2C. Yeah, man, give thanks for everybody who joined. And guys, remember the rule? Alright. Cherry say 431, negative 1630. Alright, I can see if a Cherry I take it to them. Zoom, Cherry I take it here tonight, you know. Yeah. Cherry, I'll take it to you tonight. Alright, I'm going to save Cherry right now. So we have 3D. So we group them based on the order. So D up front. So D is 2, 7, negative 8, negative 9, minus 2C, naturally, of C right there. Alright? So now we expand the bracket. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8, negative 24. 3 times 9, negative 27. Minus 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 5, negative 5, negative 10. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. And 2 3s 6. So that was pretty easy. We just expand the bracket by the scalar factor. And then now we bring them together. Now with matrices corresponding, if you're just joining, hit the like button please. Could not say you're there. So it's going to be 6 minus 2, 21, minus 10. We are safe cherry right, you know. Negative 24, minus 8, negative 27, minus 6. Alright, so I could bring them together now and see what I go on. So 6, I'm going to rewrite it one more time. We have 6 minus 2. This is going to become plus, so it's 21 plus 10, negative 24 plus 8. Just rewrite it with one sign. Both of them are negative. And then we can proceed. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 21 plus 10, that's 31. And negative 24, that's negative 16. And then negative 27, and that we add them, both of them negative, so that's negative 33. Did Cherry got this? Let us check back. Let us check back if Cherry had gotten that. She got 4, 31, negative 16, and 33. So that is correct. Oh, she got 30. Oh, she get 30. Lord. Zoom get the right answer. 431, negative 16, negative 33. Oh, she had changed it. She had changed it. Alright, alright. Well done, well done. Well done, my champions. All I know I got hard in a maths, you know. Yeah. Yeah, the joke thing. Very good. Alright, so when can do that, I can see if we can multiply now. Alright. Well done, guys. Well done. And it's so good you could find your own error before this something done. So now it's multiplication. We're going to start off simple as usual. Small numbers, ain't it? For those who don't know how to do it yet, we're going to learn everything tonight, you know. One thing with Mr. Bennett, I know chicken your jerk or work where you work. Alright, so what you guys to do this one, I'm going to give you guys some time first. A times B, and then 2 minutes. And then I approach it. Alright, so A times B, let's go. Alright, so 16, 19, 18, 22. Someone says 4, 10, 18, 17, 4, 10, 8, 7. Whoa! Alright. Somebody make an error. I don't know, so you come at the sinus there for me. I don't know what I'm going with it. Alright. So I could just define everything from now, day one. Alright. So when we are multiplying matrix, we multiply row by column. So we cut up the first one in row and the second one in columns. First one we are going to go slow, right? I want everybody to get it. Alright, so we're going to multiply row 1 times column 1 and then row 1 times column 2. So this times this. So the first one, so 1 times 4, that is 4. So we did this already now. Then we do 2 times 6, which is 12. Alright. Don't need row 1. Row 1 control the top, right? So we don't need column 1. So on to column 2. So 1 times 5, that's 5. 2 times 7, that is 14. Notice how I multiply. So. Done with the top now. Down to the base now. So 3 times 4, that is 12. 1 times 6, that is 6. Almost finished. Row 1 times column 2. 3 times 5, 15. 1 times 7, 7. So all we have to do is just add them, just as I did earlier. 4 plus that is 16. 5 plus that, 19. 12 plus that, 18. And 5 plus 7, which is 22. So that's the first one. Now I want you guys to do B times A. See if we get the same thing for A times B versus B times A. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to do it right down here after 2 minutes. That's the time I'm giving you guys. One thing with Mr. Bennett, you know, students afraid of my class sometimes because they say I push them. But in the end, when exam and them get them one, them kin off them teeth. Go, thank you, sir, blah, blah, blah. No one wants to put in the work. But we have to put in the work, guys. Alright? Nothing will come easy. So long me not come on live, guys, you know, so I'll be a class I have on them things. If you see me not come on live, you know, so it's impossible. Everybody must know that. Because when I one person, I do my time. If me say I do 2 hours and I one person upon the live, I mean under one person I do it, you know. Me no watch crowd. Because me know say this can help people years to come. You know, if it be now, you know, them good videos are going to hear for a student who inspired and want to get a one. Probably can afford class. Oh, 3, 4, 2, 1, 6, 6. Alright, so Zoom said 19, 13, 27, 19. Buy 19 in a cash pot, somebody. Alright. So we could do it now. So guys, we are rearrange it now. So B comes to the front. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, so we are cut it up in a row. So we do that right away. And then column now, 1, 3. And then 5, 7. Alright, so let's go. 4 times 1, that is 4. 5 times 3, 15. 4 times 5, 20. 5 times 7, 35. 6 times 1, 6. 7 times 3, 21. So we see where the 27 come in. 6 times 5, that is 30. And 7 times 7. No, 1 for the year, so guys. Oh God. No, you're right, you're right. Here's the one for the Jesus. This is not 7. I'm correct myself now. This was not 7. So this would be 4 times 5, 20. 5 times 1, 5. I wrote 7 instead of 1. Alright? 6 times 5, 30. 7, 1, 7. Yeah. This is the only two it would have affected. So that's 4 plus 15, that's 19. 20 plus 5, 25. 6 plus that, 27. 30 plus 7, 37. Alright, I'm just do a run check because I made that error and put 1. So let me just go over it. 4 ones 4, 5 threes 15. That's correct. 4 5 20, 5 ones 5. Done. On to row 2 now. 6 1 6, 7 threes 21. That is correct. 6 5 30. 7 times 1, 7. Alright, so that will be 19, 25, 27, and 37. Somebody said we use the wrong matrices. Oh, it's not. Lord Jesus. 4, let me say 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. Oh, there's no 5. 1. Supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 1. Lord. Guys, I'm messing up body now. I wrote down the wrong thing. Alright, so I could just retract. So 4 times that, that's correct. 5 3 is 15. 4 2 is 8. So instead of 20, it would be 8. And 5 1 is 5. So this would give us 13. Alright, for this one now, 6 2 is 12. So right here, so it would be 12. And then this now would be 19. Alright. Anyway, guys, don't make that happen to the exam. I wrote down 5 instead of the 2. But it's correct now. Sometimes mistakes is gonna make, right? So just pray and hope that don't happen in exam for you guys. We don't want that, we don't want that, but not that. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna give you one that is gonna challenge you. It's a past paper one, and let's see how well you guys handle that one. Alright. So I want you guys to find 2b plus m squared. Go ahead and do that one. So guys, go ahead. 2b plus m squared. Hell and powder house. Let me fix the sign them. I'm not going to use that as excuse. This is negative 5. Negative 1. Oh guys, by the way, share this with someone, right? So them can accompany live, you know. Marker, run a bit. Big up St. Mary's College for the marker. Yeah man, errors can make more while guys. So find this one 2b plus m squared. B is 2, 3, negative 1, 4. M is 1, negative 1, 3, and negative 5. 1.5 more minutes and let's go. Let's go. Alright, 2, 10, negative 4, and 30. Let us see what going on with that. We still have 30 more seconds. Let's use it up, guys. Let's go. Type it in fast. Alright, time is up now, guys. Let's go. Let's see what going on. My people, I don't know. Alright, so we have 2b. So first, we set it out. So we got expand 2 times each of these elements plus m squared, which means m times m. So in matrix world, it's still row by column. Alright, so I'm going to do that part here first, according to the Bundas rule, even though it doesn't change anything directly. Alright, so 1, 1, 1, negative times that, negative 3, 1 times 1, negative 1, negative times negative, positive 5, 3 times 1, 3, negative 5 times 3, negative 15. On to row 2, column 2, 3 times 1, negative 3, negative times negative, positive, 5 times 5, 25. Alright, so now we're gonna expand each by 2, 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 times 1, negative 2, and 2 4s 8. Alright, we could tidy up that part here first because I don't want no confusion. So let us rewrite this. So we have 4, 6, negative 2, and 8. So 1 minus 3, that's negative 2. Negative 1 plus 5, that's positive 4. So I can represent now. 3 minus that gives us negative 12. And negative 3 plus 25. 25 is bigger, that's positive. So it's like you're just saying 25 minus 3, which is 22. Positive, right? So remember we're adding now. So it will be 4 plus minus 2, 6. Plus 4, negative 2, plus negative 12, and 8 plus 22. Alright, so we can tidy up now. So it's 4 plus that gives us 2, 6 plus 4 is 10. Negative, both of them negative, so we add them, so that gives us negative 14. 8 plus 22, which is 30. Alright, so there we have it. Yeah guys, you are touch and go now, you know. So we're going to look at the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So get ready guys, get ready. Remember guys, more of these are on my channel. Yeah man. Cherry up, cherry up, cherry. Cherry also got it correct after the buzzer. Yeah, Cherry, you got it after the buzzer, right? Yeah, big up yourself, same way. Enough respect, man. Enough respect. Alright, so just add up inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. If you don't learn it yet, you don't need to worry. You learn it today. Fully understand it too. So you're going to learn how to do inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Find the inverse, I could call it A. And this is how you write the inverse, A to the negative 1. Just like in functions, you raise it to the negative 1. And that would be the inverse, alright? Alright guys, me see you know. Alright. So I'm going to walk on through this, just in case somebody watch it for the first time, I want to catch them up to speed right away. Alright, so every matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. So it's just like you say A, B, C, D, but then you say beta, a primary school for A, B, C, D. So it's in this form. So the first thing that we need to find is what we call the determinant. We're just going to set D, E, T. Now, with the determinant, it's like you're making an X. So it's AD minus BC, right? So that's A is 2, so that's 2. Now, write it good. 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3. So 2, 5, 10, 1 times 3 minus 3. So this, the determinant is 7. Now to find the inverse, what we do, we put 1 over the determinant times what we call the adjoint. Now the adjoint, we swap the position of D. Look carefully guys, D and A. So same as how we do this, we swap it. And then we change the sign of B and C. So if it's positive, it's going to become negative. If it's negative, it's going to become positive. So working with this, we know that the determinant is 1 over 7. Can see here, this is the determinant. Times the adjoint now. 5 and 2 is going to swap. So 5 come up there, 2 go there. Notice the swap, right? Change the position. And then we change the sign of negative of 1, which is negative 1, and 3, negative 3. So that would be the inverse. And most times they get 4 marks for just that, or 3. Alright? So guys, ensure that you follow the steps. So the first thing, you label it A, B, C, D, that's on the board. Then you multiply A times D minus BC. Specifically, that is the determinant. Now, to find the inverse, it's 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjoint. How do we obtain the adjoint? We change the position of D and A. So see here, A goes there, B goes there. And we change the sign of B and C. So we don't change the position of B and C. We hold that position, right? We hold this B and C. But we change the sign, alright? I will take the inverse of it. So if it's negative, it becomes positive, and if it's positive, it becomes negative. Alright? So let's go ahead now and do one with a negative involved. Or should I just give you another number? Some person might be here for the first time, do it for the first time. So I could do our next positive one, alright? No negative vibes yet. Alright? Yeah man, big up everybody when you find Mr. Bennett live. Oh guys, me get the t-shirt them, you know. Yeah, man, you get the thing them, man. The thing I grow large, you know. What I think is Mr. Bennett a normal teacher. I chew me shy. I have my t-shirt now, but I chew me shy. I don't come show you. I get brave and show you what I go on. After this, I come and show you what I go on. Alright, so guys, find the inverse of this. We'll go with the positive first, and then we'll go with the negative. Alright? And guys, by the way, I already look for my channel already, you know. I don't know who now wait for watch them. Joke thing. I'll be a past paper question, I look for my channel. So you know see why we not pre it, you know. You know most guys get up and say, yo, me I pre this. Watch everything on it. Oh guys, we just get some news, you know. Hold on, I have some news to share with you right away. Let me just look on this. Alright, the CSEC 2022 May June paper out. Let me see how I go on. 14th of April, visual art. Monday, May 2, visual art again. Monday, May 23, technical drawing. Tuesday, May 24, industrial technology. Thursday, May 26. Hold on. Social studies are May 26. Oh my God. Friday, English. Oh, that's literature. English B. Monday, the 30th, principles of accounts. The 31st, English A. And the big day, June 1, mathematics examination. Alright, big up. Big up Zoe from Bahamas, and she just sent me this, you know. Geography, June 2. So what on there? Oh yeah, one day after maths and geography. Biology, paper 2, June 6. Oh, I forgot to do a channel. I forgot to do something with this. Chemistry, June 8. Principles of business, June 9. Friday, June 10, office administration. Monday, June 13, physics paper 2. Tuesday, 14th, information technology. Wednesday, economics. Who do that? Thursday, integrated science. What a paper 3 look like. And then you have family and resource management also on that day. And then Portuguese paper 2. Then you know what do that, you know. You know we in Caribbean chat that. Then you have electronic document, which is Friday the 17th. French. You know say Maisha do that. June 20. Caribbean history. Additional maths, June 22. I forgot about that. We don't have students for that this year. We need to do some videos for them though. Thursday, geography. What go on? Technical drawing, paper 1. At a Friday the 24th. I think that's it. No man, I know it, you know. Some other things. I forgot to do a video for this though, guys. Alright, so exam for maths are June 1. Alright, big up Zoe. Thanks so much. No, she's up on my live right now. Zoe, you're large. Big up everybody from Bahamas. Alright. Alright, we could go through the inverse for this now, guys. We're supposed to have a push now. we have exactly 1 month. Put it on my status and then we can go and roll. We're supposed to have more drive to push. Hit the like button, guys. And Mr. Benny, I got hit the like button. Yeah, alright. So we say AD determinant 3 times 5 minus 2 times 6. So 3, 5, 15 minus 2, 6 is 12. That gives us 3. Alright? So it's 1 over the determinant. Change the position of A and D, which is the adjoint. So 5 go there so, 3 go there so. And we change this to negative. Since they are positive. If they were negative, we change them to positive. And there we have it. This is the inverse of B. Some schools do it like this. 5 over 3, negative 2 over 3, and negative 6 over 3. 3 over 3. Alright? Alright guys, hit the like button because I work where I work now. See that the date come to me. Big up Zoe. I see as the date come to me guys, and more energy me have for work, you know. Shell we are shell down this, you know. Shell we are shell it down. Chicken we are jerking at this. Alright. Now guys, I want you guys to do another one. But this time you're gonna do it with negative. So this one is gonna be C. As I say, exam approach. Exam is in 28 days. Guess who now go abandon him? No, Mr. Bennett, man. So him stay now. When nobody now pre-him thing, him do him work same way now. So him stay. Alright. Let's see if you guys can find the inverse of that. So C is equal to negative 1, negative 5, 2 and 3, and you are supposed to find the inverse of C. Hey guys, big up. Thanks for liking the video. Go watch the playback. Thank you guys also for watching the playback. Ready guys, exam is up on us. Ready. Share it. No pitney and struggle. Some pitney can't find inverse and then come pre Mr. Bennett channel. Alright. So first thing we find the determinant. So you can put this in a bracket when it come that way, it become real tricky. AD, put the 1, don't put the 1, because some students say, let me get 3 there. So negative 1 times 3 minus negative 5 times 2. We just kind of separate it so persons can see what I got. Right? Negative 1 times that, negative 3 minus negative 5 times that, negative 10. Now this becomes a positive, so we have negative 3 plus 10, which is equal to positive 7. Who get that? So it's 1 over 7. Swap the position. So 3 goes there, negative 1 goes there. Alright? A common error, students left the negative and just put the 1. No. This is positive, negative 5, so it becomes positive. This is positive, so it becomes negative. And that would be our answer. Alright? One more, guys. One more with the negative, and then we're going to look at finding the identity of a 2 by 2 matrix. What do we mean by finding the identity? Should we look at singular matrix first? Yeah, I think we should. We should look at singular matrix first. Yeah, definitely. It makes sense. Alright. So when your exam come, go and get excited, but no, calm down. Fine, we're going to look at singular matrix after this, and then we'll look at the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. And definitely simultaneous equation and equal matrix. I'm wondering if I should leave those two for another video. Yeah, I think I will leave those because those two are the problem ones. So I want persons who can see those separate. Yeah, I think I will do that. I have a lot of equal matrix on my channel already. Nevertheless, I'm going to go through them just to see. So I don't care how much video I'm having, because I do more. Until YouTube says, stop now, you reach your limit. Because even 100 years from now, once YouTube no lockdown, people can watch it. You up on yourself. It's a year 2022. If you watch it now 2092, still hit the like button. Ja. Alright guys, let's go. Find the inverse of this. And it is written as D minus 1. So once you see that, you know it's the inverse. 2 minutes. I'm going to time you guys now. I'm not looking at nothing else but the clock. Let's go. We go for the everybody will like. I mean, how many people they on it not like it, see me. No matter how I say it, them not like it. I don't know what me do, you know. Tell me, put it in the comment section what me do, you know, why you can't like my video. Why? Just tell me that, please, why you can't like my video. Somebody just put a comment and say, CSEC, leave the broad topic. I should work them. So if anybody have the broad topic, you can send it to me, alright? And that was 57 minutes ago. Alright guys, we know the date for exam. I could make a buzz it now. No joke. We know what going on, you know, guys. So all we have to do is just prepare. Have somebody who is willing to help, you know. Just have to just party. That's all. It don't cost $1. It don't even cost a like. Only if you want to like it, right? It don't cost a like. Because only if you want to like it, don't it? Still can come on. Alright, so let's go. Let's find the inverse. So it's AD minus BC. And then that would be negative 5 times negative 2. Go bracket it out. Minus 1 times 8. Alright. So negative times negative, that's positive 10 minus 1 times negative 8, that's negative 8. So this is going to become plus. You know, see nobody have that, you know? You know, see nobody have that. So it's 1 over 18. So 18 is the determinant. So it would be 1 over 18 change the position. So negative 2, negative 5. This is positive, negative, so it becomes positive, and this becomes negative. And that is our answer. Let me just recap. Negative 5 times that, positive 10. Put the minus. Negative 1 times 8, negative 8. Both of them are negative, become positive. That's 18. 1 over 18 times the adjoint, which is swap the position of A and D. And alright. So guys, just get some more practice. More of them on my channel. Just go and check them out. Just go through my channel. Type in the topic where you want. And type in my name. Type in the topic. And you see the videos. Pass people questions on there. Oh, Cherry. Big up Cherry. Big up Cherry. Guys, I only see me, I'm not really 100, you know, but I still have put out the effort. Alright? That's why I'm not going to touch the matrix, the equal matrix and the matrices and the simultaneous equation tonight. But just keep the notification on so when you can come on, alright? Alright, I want you guys to find the determinant for this one and tell me what you guys get, alright? Do this one and tell me what you get. Two, 1, 10, 5. Tell me what you get, guys. Now look in the comment section right now. Alright, ready. When you see me do this, you know it's a singular we reach. Now let us see what's the determinant. So it's 2 times 5 minus 1 times 10. So 2, 5, 10 minus 10. Whenever a matrix determinant is equal to 0, it is known as a singular matrix. So we introduce this to you. Yeah, full of style and pattern, don't it? So whenever the determinant is 0, it is called a special thing. It's called a singular matrix. Alright? So now I'm going to give you guys a challenge. You're going to tell me if A is singular or non-singular. The ones that we've been doing, finding the inverse, those are called the non-singular. So for the ones that is equal to 0, once you say AD minus BC and it's equal to 0, that is called a singular matrix. Alright? So let's go now. You're going to tell me if it's singular or non-singular. And then we're going to look at the identity. And the next time we come, we're going to look at solving simultaneous equation and equal matrix, which is a problem for most students. I'm not sure if I will separate them or do both together, but it will be awesome. Alright? We got a friend in North Carolina, a mathematics teacher. What you link we have in a peeps? Abdul from England, you're not on this tonight, what big you up? England, you're asleep. Probably early morning before you wake up and see this. And say, Jaja. So guys, I'm going to label them A, B, C, D. So you're going to just type A, if you think it's singular, singular. B, non-singular. D, C, singular. D, non, and so on. Alright? So let's go. See what you guys make up of. So state whether it's singular or non-singular. State whether it's singular or non-singular. So you know you have the instruction. Let's go. Just want one more like to make 40. Somebody who's stubborn, just do that to me now. Like, alright, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Butterfly, big up. Butterfly, just flying in the building. Hit the like button as you come on, butterfly, before you forget. Butterfly, where did that so long, man? Come on, man. If you turn on the notification, if you eat your dinner, you see Mr. Bennett notification, come on, stop. And just say, yo. Alright, so here, A is non-singular, B is singular, C is singular, and D is singular. Because see what I go on, butterfly, hit the road. Butterfly just flying. You know, it's a mad thing now. Yeah, man, respect for the likes, guys. And I know so that my work for, right? Only the likes my work for. Chicken we are jerk, just the likes. Alright. So let us test them. Alright, we'll give them 1 more minute. Somebody might be a bit slow. Give 1 more minute and then we'll look at them instantly. And then we'll look at the identity. A is non-singular. Hi Zoe, respect Zoe, big up. How are you, girl? Thanks Zoe for the thing. I was picking up earlier. I thought you were on the live, you know, Zoe. Come on, Zoe. You just come on the live, Zoe, man. Zoe, we missed you. What's up with that? Alright. Zoom said B is non-singular. Alright, so Zoom I do them 1-1. Alright. Butterfly, mind the fire that burn your wings, you know. Jaja, big up butterfly. Let me make a dance for you. Alright, so let's try them, guys. So AD minus BC. So that's 3 times 3 minus 1 times 9. See what I want to tricky? So 3 is 9. This is going to become minus 9. So this is plus. So this is none. We just put none, meaning non-singular. Alright? So A is non-singular. Let us look at B now. Remember it's AD minus BC. So negative 2 times negative 4 minus 1 times 8. This can be real tricky now, guys. Alright, so we have 8, negative and negative, and we have minus 8. Whoa! Somebody, this is singular, non-singular. But these are non-singular and non-singular. Because negative 1 times 8, so 8 plus 8, that is 16. So this is non-singular. Alright, let us look at C now. Negative 3 times negative 4 minus bracket negative 2 times negative 6. 3 4 is 12 rather, minus negative and negative, positive. So this is singular. Just like an heartbroken. Alright, so let's look at D now. So it's AD. See the extra I make, guys? Just like when you have what? 5 times 4 minus 2 times minus 10. Alright, so 5 4 20 minus this become positive 2. So that is singular. So I have, you guys can tell me if I'm right. I have non-singular, non-singular, singular, and singular. So let's check that out. So guys, I'm just checking. 3 is 9 minus that is non-singular for A. I believe it is true. B now, negative 2 times negative give you a positive 8. Now we have minus 1 times 8, that's negative. However, 2 negative give you a positive. So that gives you 16. So that's non-singular. Let's just check back. C, negative 3 times negative 4, that's positive 12. Put the minus. Negative 2 times 2, 6. Negative 6, that is positive 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So this is singular. Let's double check this one. 5, 4, 20. Put the minus. Negative times this give a positive. So that is 0. So it's non-singular, non-singular, and singular. Alright. So guys, we have reached the stage now. Are you ready to rumble? Alright, if D is a singular matrix, find the value of X. Go ahead and do that one, guys. If D is a singular matrix, find the value of X. Let's go. Remember, int, what is a singular matrix? Alright, I rest my case. Alright, so we say X equal 1, X equal 1. Everybody get that. Your butterfly got better when you fly in. My night got better when you fly in. Yeah, man. You don't know how crazy work we are doing, you know, and a chicken we are dressed. You just have to sleep all the night going. A good man. Alright, so we know that AD minus BC must equal to 0. So all we have to do, just say 2x times 5 minus 1 times 10, and that equal to 0. Solve this equation. 2x times 5, that's 10x. Negative 1 times that, minus 10, and that equals 0. So we solve for x. So we get rid of the negative 10, which is, we take the opposite, which is to add 10, and that equals 0, right? So we add 10 to both sides. That gone. So now we have 10x is equal to 10. And then we divide both sides by 10. So x is equal to 1. Very good. Let's go again, guys. Let's go. See how well you guys handle this next one. We call this one E. I want this one to be a fraction deliberately. So if E go ahead and do that one. If E is a singular matrix, find X. Let's go, guys, let's go. Yeah, one more topic we look at after this, and it's finding the identity. Alright, someone says keeping with Zav 5 over 6, Butterfly Girl says 5 over 6, Cherry says 5 over 6, Zoom says 5 over 6. So I believe it's 5 over 6. Alright. Regular people, let me hear now. So we have AD minus BC, so that's 4 times 3x minus 2 times 5, and that must equal to 0. So 4 times 3x, that's 12x minus 10. Show them as auxiliary, right? So we add 10 to both sides. So it's 12x equal to 10. Now we divide by, correct, 12. Can break it down, divide both sides by 2. So that's 5 over 6. So I believe in you guys. You guys are awesome. Alright? Alright guys, so let us move on to the identity. And this is gonna be so much fun. And CSEC will have some little cheeky ways to bring that up. Something nice and good. Alright, sometimes then we just put the negative 1 there. So the identity is when you take the inverse and you multiply it by the original, and you're supposed to get 1, 0, 0, 1. Alright? So go ahead guys and show that. You already know the answer, but just check it out if you can find the answer in the time given. Alright? One more minute guys, one more minute to go. "28 days, exactly 2 more months to go." Then about 2 more months, exactly 1 month to go to exam. 2 fortnights. So today is 28 and exam is June 1. So keep that in your calendar. June 1. Start of the month. Alright? Alright, so let's show this now. All this is saying, guys, nothing new. We found the inverse earlier. If you're just joining, check out the video from start, alright, before you go to your bed tonight. Alright, so A, go find the inverse now. So that will be 2 times 5. So much practice you get with inverse. 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3. That's 10 minus 3, which is 7. So now it's 1 over 7 times the adjoint, which is 5, 2, negative 1, and 3. I'm going to just multiply this by the original, which is 2, 1, 3, 5. Alright? So we did row by column. If you're just joining, please ensure you watch back the video from scratch. So 5 2s 10, negative 1 times that, negative 3. So easy. 1 over 7. 5 times 1, 5. Negative 1 times 5, 5. Already we see the answer shape out. 3 times 2, that is 6. 2 3s. No, something like that. Oh, this was supposed to be negative 3. Sorry. As I was wondering, 3 times 2, negative 6. Plus 2 3s, 6. Negative 3 times that, negative 3. 2 times 5, 10. Alright. So now all we have to do is just match up the inside. And we're good to go. 10 minus 3, that is 7. 5 minus 5, 0. Negative 6 plus that, 0. And negative 3 plus 10, 7. So that's 1 over 7. And we know it divides 7 by 7, 0 by 7, 0 by 7, and 7 by 7. So that gives us 1, 0, 0, 1. And that is proven. One more. You guys type in 4 numbers that we should use. Go ahead, type in the 4 numbers that we should use for the next identity. Let's go. Type in the 4 numbers that you want me to use, guys. I will find the identity. You guys can type it in too. Alright. So someone says 1731. So 1731. Let's go. Let's see if it works. 1731. Alright. I hope it's this way, I mean. So guys, this is not Mr. Bennett question. Just testing it to see if it works. Alright. So we could call this one C. So C times its inverse is supposed to give it 1, 0, 0, 1, which is known as the identity. So let's just find the inverse. So it would be AD minus BC, which is 1 times 1 minus 3 times 7. So 1, 1, 1, 3 7s, 21. So 1 minus that will give us 1 over negative 20. Swap 1 and 1, that are still 1. Change the sign of these, so that's negative 7 and negative 3. We'll make the same error twice, and then we have 1, 7, 3, 1. Alright, so let's multiply row by column now. So 1 times 1, that is 1. It's negative 7 times 3, negative 21. Alright, and then 1 times 7, that's positive 7. Negative 7 times 1, negative 7. Look like it not gonna work, guys. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3. 1 times 3, positive 3. Alright, the final one now. Negative 3 times 7, negative 21. And 1 times 1, 1. So remember, this is 1 over negative 20. So 1 times that, 1 minus that rather, that's negative 20, 0, 0. This is 21 bigger, so that's negative 20. So it actually works because we multiply dividing by negative 20. So it's negative 20 divided by negative 20, that's 1. And the 0, 1. Alright? Very good, guys. So you see, guys, you can make them up, no excuse. You can make them up for yourself. You don't have to depend on your teacher or Mr. Bennett. You can actually make them up, practice them yourself. So just in case CC come with something tricky, you're already ready. What can better than that? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Preparation is the key. Guys, ensure that you turn on your notification. Ensure you share with your friends. So probably if you miss it, them can call it. Alright? Link your teacher. Let them know about this awesome maths teacher. Zoom, give one more. Give one more, guys, and let's see if it works. Once the determinant is not 0, yeah, man, practice makes permanent. Yeah, man, for real. I man teach me that, One more, guys. Type in one more. We're going to done for tonight, but next time we meet, we're going to do solving simultaneous equations, matrix method, and equal matrix, which is the most feared one. But we don't fear no maths. Yeah, man. And research there. Try this one, guys, and see if it works. Let me know in the comment section, alright? This can write a little better. So we have 2, 3, 5, 6. I could call this one D. Show that D minus 1 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So we know the answer, just to work it out we do, alright? Yeah, man, a permanent. That I'm on teach me, and girl in grade 6 teach me that. She's a permanent. I'm on the row. Young mathematician. Yeah, man. If you hear me produce mathematicians, guys, and a joke thing, think a chicken we are jerk. So guys, just link up, keep on your notification, don't make no plans. Just know some most in the evening will come on, alright? When all the kids gone to bed. Alright, so let's go. So it's 2 times 6 minus 3 times 5. So 2 6 is 12 minus that gives us 15, which work out to negative 3. So it's 1 over negative 3 times the adjoint. So 6 go up there, so 2 go there, so negative 3, negative 5 times the original, which is 2, 3, 5, 6. There we have it. I want more than that, guys. We this rows by column. This is even a practice. You have to multiply. So we touch simultaneous equation. It's gonna be a breeze also. 6 2s, 12. Negative 3 times 5, negative 15. 6 times 3, 18. Remember, this control the top. Negative 3 times 6, negative 18. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10. 2 times 5, 10. And negative 5 times that, 15. And 2 6s, 12. Alright, so this will give us negative 3, 0, 0, and that negative 3. But remember, we are supposed to divide by negative 3. So negative 3 divided by negative 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1, 0, 0, 1. And there we go. See you guys in another video. Big up everybody if you join. Guys, do remember, Smokey J. Welcome, Smokey, man. You come on the video done. A 1.5 hour doing a Smokey, but guess what, go on. Watch back the video from start. A mad thing. A mad thing. Just watch back it from start, Smokey. Smokey, you can get a Smokey. What you get for name Smokey? Aye. Big up Smokey, welcome, man. But what may I say? It's 1.5 hour. So you can pre-back everything what we do. We do addition, subtraction, look at scalar. What next we look at? We look at singular. Smokey. Jaja. Yeah, man, welcome, man. A crazy video, but everything they on it though. Yeah, man, you can watch it back butterfly. Yeah. And things. So watch it from the start. Attempt the questions and thing. But guys, what Smokey, what more you do this time? Yeah, man, you're welcome butterfly. And guys, remember, if you have no problem, you can link up my number 876-549-2161. Alright? So what you can do, Smokey, turn on notification. So when time I come on live, it will give you a notification. Because some people don't turn on a notification. And sometimes it works against them. Now that we know that we have 28 days, I'm going to try and call live every day. Alright? Yeah, man, soon. Big up, big up. Stay safe soon, butterfly, everybody. Alright? Bless. Yeah, man. This is Mr. Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. Guys, do remember to share with others, alright? No joke about that. Because a lot of people struggling, and Mr. Bennett want to help them for free. Can you imagine that? Yeah. So if you watch back the playback, share it to somebody also. Big up. Make sure you like the video. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.